One. Hello and welcome to Kroll's Cyber Clarity 360 show. No, I'm kidding. We are doing a webinar series on cybersecurity, and I'm so glad that you're here. I have lots of questions about cybersecurity, and one of them is, what are the typical threats to law firms or other legal service providers?
That's a great question, and something that we get all the time from our clients. What should we be looking out for? What's the thing that should really be keeping us up at night? It goes back down to the basics. Breached credentials, so the password and username that the employees of the law firm may have utilized on another service or site, being compromised, and then a smart attacker leveraging that on their system to get access to data. That remains one of the biggest concerns. And in fact, in the recent pandemic, as we've seen so many people either work from home, set up virtual systems, have to log in from different places, we've actually noticed an alarming increase in the number of exposed records amongst large firms, as much as 80% increase over the last 3 months. It's no surprise that it coincides with the recent work from home. Separately, though, a continuing issue is always misconfiguration and bad setups. As we saw in the laser form breach, right, one service provider for legal entities triggered a potential breach or exposure for 197 different law firms. So we always have to ask questions about, how are they handling identity? How are they handling the configurations of the tools and services they use? And it's just important to understand that these threats aren't unique to legal. They're true to all organizations. It's just the amount of data we share sometimes with our law firms and legal partners. It can sometimes be very scary to think about what would happen if it falls into the wrong hands.
Yes, and it's often very sensitive data, obviously important and sensitive. Well, thank you so much, Ryan. If you want to learn more from Ryan and Imran, please join us in July for our series of webinars on cybersecurity with Kroll Cyber Clarity 360. Thank you so much.
Thank you.